In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change human parts in Adobe Firefly. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to reach Adobe's official site without typing long URLs. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press enter. You'll see a set of results. Look for the official Adobe Firefly website. It should clearly indicate it's from Adobe. Click that to go straight to the Firefly homepage. Once you're on the Firefly site, look for the option labeled More. This reveals additional creative tools beyond the main ones on the front page. From there, choose Edit. This takes you to Firefly's image editing experience, which is designed for prompt-based edits on your own photos. A quick note before you proceed: make sure you have the rights to edit the image you're going to use, and for best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo where the subject is easy to identify. Next, upload a photo. You can drag and drop or use the upload button, whatever is easiest for you. Give it a moment to process. Once your image is loaded, you'll see the prompt area where you'll describe the change you want Firefly to make. The key to good results is being specific, especially about the part of the human you want to change and about how it should look in the final image. For example, you can write a prompt like this: replace the human hand with a sleek metallic robotic hand, maintaining the same pose, lighting, and composition. The metal hand should look realistic with detailed reflections, chrome texture, and subtle wear, seamlessly integrated with the rest of the image. This kind of prompt tells Firefly what to replace, how it should look, and how it should match the scene. If your image has a particular mood or light direction, mentioning that helps the edit blend naturally. When you're happy with your prompt, click Generate. Firefly will create variations based on your instructions. Review the results and focus on realism. Does the replacement match the angle, scale, and lighting of the original? If something looks off, refine your wording, clarify materials, finish, or lighting, and generate again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. That's it. You've navigated to Adobe Firefly, opened the edit workspace, uploaded your image, crafted a clear prompt to change a human part, and generated your transformed photo. Save your favorite result, and you're ready to use it in your projects.